So yesterday you were learning about missing numbers to 50 and you were awesome. I'm not surprised. But today I thought I'm going to challenge your brain. I've got some different activities all about numbers to 50. I'm going to show each activity to you, and what you're going to then do is you are going to solve each of my challenges. Each challenge is worth 2 dojos. If you complete all of my challenges, then you can have 10 dojos, because these are going to use what's called logic. That means we sometimes have to think very carefully about the answer. So I'm challenging you today to use your logic. And remember, if you get them all, 10 dojos. Your first challenge is to make your own mini number lines. What you will need to do is cut a piece of paper into strips. Then you will need to split your strips into parts. I drew 10 lines on my strip. Now choose a multiple of 10 to start with. This is a number that we say when we count in tens. I have chosen 10. Then count on from that number until you get to the next multiple of 10. I made my multiples of 10 in different colours. For our next challenge, we are thinking about how many all together. So you can see in this picture, there is a koala in the middle and they have names around the outside. What you have to do is add all of the leaves all together. Then you write the number as the total. On your sheet, you have some groups that you need to add them all together and tell me the total of your groups. Our last challenge is our trickiest. In this challenge, we've got to think about what would happen if somebody counted backwards. So you can see it says Lola counts backwards from 40 to 20. Tick all the numbers she will say. Now that isn't that tricky, but what numbers did you tick and why is where it gets trickier. At the bottom, I want you to explain to me why you chose those numbers, or you could explain to me how you sorted out the answer.